Good morning, my friends. Would you like to talk about animals with me? Would you like to talk about animals? Okay, let's do it. What is that? What is that, friends? Is that a crocodile? Oh my. What's that? What is that? What is it? Say monkey, monkey. What is that? That's a big animal, a big one. What is that one? Say elephant, elephant. Can you say it? Elephant. Good job, elephant. Whoa, what's that one? What is that one? A snake. Great job, snake. Oh my. What is that? That's a bird. This is a bird too, but they're different kinds of birds. This is a parrot. Can you say parrot? Parrot. Good job, my friends. Parrot. Parrot. And this is a penguin. Penguin. Good job. These are all animals we could see in the zoo. And what's this one? What is that? Can you tell me what that is? Say zebra. Zebra. Good job. And what's this one? A lion. Good job. A lion. Say roar. Okay, now do you want to talk about the sounds these animals make? Let's talk about them. First, we have to take them out of the puzzle. One animal, two animals, three animals, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job, friends. Good job. There's 7 animals. Okay. Oh, no, look, there's 8. I forgot one. 8. Forgot the snake. Oh, my. Okay. What animal is this? What animal is it? Great job. That's called an elephant. Elephant. What does an elephant say? You're right. Good job. Okay, now listen. Listen for the elephant. Oh my goodness. Awesome. That's what an elephant says. Okay. What's this? What we talk about? What's this one called? You're right, a penguin. Where does the penguin go? Can you point? Can you point to where the penguin goes? Yay, good job. You're right. The penguin goes. Oh my goodness, you're right. The penguin went right there. Did you hear the penguin? That one was really cool. Okay, what's next? Whoa, what's that? Is that a lion? Can you say lion? Say lion. Lion. What does a lion say? Roar! Lion. Did you hear that? That big lion. Roar! Okay, what's next? What's this one? Remember, where does it go? Can you point? Good job, you're right. It goes right here. Okay, listen to the parrot sound. Did you hear it? That parrot makes a funny sound, doesn't it? Okay, what's next? Oh my goodness, what is that? You know what that is. Oh, me and the penguin fell. What is that though? You know what that is. A monkey, you're right. What does a monkey say? Okay, let's put the monkey in and listen. That's so cool. Okay, we gotta put the penguin back in. There we go. Okay, where does this one go? Can you point to where the snake goes? The snake. Where does it go? Snake. You're right. It goes right down here. Snake. A snake. Good job. Okay. What's this one? Oh my goodness, they keep falling. What's this one? A zebra. Where does the zebra go? Zebra. You're right. That's where the zebra goes. Did you point at the zebra? Zebra. Okay, we're going to put him in. Listen to his sound. A zebra makes a pretty cool sound, huh? That is cool. Okay, we're going to put the monkey back in. Listen. Whoa, that's so fun. Okay, last one. What's this one? An alligator or a crocodile. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, listen to the big alligator sound. Oh my goodness sake. Good job, friends. We learned all about the animal sounds. Good job. Yay. Thank you.